Are you eagerly waiting to feel those tiny kicks and wiggles? The fact is, feeling your baby move is one of the most exciting milestones in pregnancy. It just gives you this reassurance that your baby is okay and your baby is in good condition. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as a nurse with a difference. And on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 tricks to make your baby move so you can at least capture it in the camera. All right, welcome back. So the first trick in making your baby move is eat or drink something that is sugary. Yes, one of the most effective way to get your baby in utero to move is to eat or drink something with moderate natural sugar content. When you do that, it increases the mother's sugar level, and that increases the alertness of the baby in your womb. And when your baby is alert, definitely the baby will want to make some movement, and if possible, you could capture it in the camera. You can take something like a fruit, like a piece of fruit. You can take a fruit juice, and you can also take some snacks like some crackers and a little bit of chocolate. It's not going to hurt, okay? So when you take that, it increases the sugar level and make the baby active. Definitely the baby is going to do some move that is visible and that you are going to feel. The second trick I would like to share with you is make some noise. Yes, you heard me right. I also want to let you know that your baby's sense of hearing is already developed halfway. So what you can do for your baby, especially from the second trimester, is to sing for them, talk to them, communicate with them as if they are already out of the womb. And also you can play some cool music for them. That might encourage your baby to make some movements. Then the third trick I would like to share with you is change your position. Yes, if you are standing, if you've been walking up and down, I would advise you to lie down. Yes, lie down and see. So if you've already been lying down, you can change position from left to right. Just move your position. You know your baby likes it when you're active. Your baby likes it, just being active. So you can move from the right side to the left side while lying down. Remember, most times when you lie down to sleep at night, you notice that your baby moves more. Personally, that was what I noticed. Whenever I lie down to sleep, my baby moves more. But when I'm busy with the day's activities, I don't even notice the movement. But when I lie down, rest, I see the baby do poo, 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 poo. So try as much as possible to change position. That might encourage the baby to also move. The first trick I would like to share with you is gentle nudging. Yes. So if you notice that your baby's back or the butt is pressing up against the stomach, what you just have to do is to apply some little pressure, nudging. You just apply some little pressure. That might also encourage your baby to move. Then the fifth trick I would like to share with you is gentle or moderate exercise. A particular study in 2020 shows that when some mothers do the prenatal aerobic exercise, it tends to increase the baby's in utero heart rates. So with that prenatal exercise, that might encourage your baby to also move. Then the sixth trick I would like to share with you is shine a flashlight on your tummy. Yes, towards the middle of the second trimester, your baby may be able to differentiate between light and darkness, may be able to differentiate between night and day. Yes, so it's not like a promise that it's sure it's going to happen, but they may be able to. So flashing a torchlight, a flashlight, or shining a flashlight on your tummy might encourage them to move, but it's not bad to give it a try. Then the last point I would like to share with you is get excited, be happy, do something exciting. So when you do something exciting, there's an increased surge of adrenaline, and that can keep your baby active and encourage your baby to move. And some people usually say when they take spicy food, when they eat their spicy food, it gets the baby excited and they see their baby moving. So you can also give that a try. So these are the tips I have to share with you in regards to making your baby move in utero, in regards to making your baby move freely in your womb. But I also want to let you know that in the first, second trimester, it's not really something you should be concerned about, especially when you've not noticed the baby movement. But to be sure that your baby is okay, the best is like when you get to the hospital and the midwife actually check the fetal heart rate. In the third trimester, you can actually try these tricks. It might work, it might not work. It's not 100% effective. But I think taking sugar, something sugary, actually was one of the ways I was able to get my baby moving. And also lying down was also one of the ways I get my baby moving. Remember, if you are concerned, if you are worried about your child when you are pregnant, always see the midwife and also the doctor. Don't assume everything is fine when you know something is wrong. Please and please, you are carrying another life inside of you. And I want you to be okay. All right. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mercy Mary saying thank you. Bye and see you in our next video.